Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clear File Explorer search history in Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Create new key named as autocomplete. Create new string value named as autosuggest, change value data to no. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.